Hey guys, this is my introduction part 3 and today I'm gonna show these figures. And I have figures on my bed, but I show this. So I got this Beagle, Poodle, and other Poodle. This Beagle, Puppy in my pocket, Mom, and this is Puppy. I have two, but one is on my bed. And I got my best friend's Poodle, my best friend's Dachshund, this Puppy in my pocket Beagle, this Simonart, this Kinder Surprise Dachshund. She like Simonart puppy. This Beagle, Tibetan Spaniel, and other one Tibetan Spaniel. This pink Bulldog. My best friend's Bulldog. OPS Simonart. OPS Yorkie. And OPS Dachshund puppy. This Bulldog. OPS Corgi. This Banus Matanen dog. Two Westie figures. This one. And this, my best friend. She like Banus Matanen dog puppy. My best friend Corgi. Puppy in my pocket, Banus Matanen dog. My best friend's Basset Hound. Puppy in my pocket, Simonart. The dog, Corgi. This Puppy in my pocket, Dachshund. This Corgi, Puppy in my pocket. And this one. Puppy in my pocket, Yorkie. This Simonart. Tibetan Spaniel. Yorkie. Bull Terrier, my best friends. And other one, my best friend's Bull Terrier. My best friend's Simonart. And the last one, my best friend's Beagle. So, thank you guys for watching and please subscribe. Bye!